All right, so I'm gonna try to diagnose this big engine shake that my car is getting. So see how bad it's shaking. You can literally just see the flashlight. This thing is rocking. All right. So we're gonna have to figure that out. It kind of, to me, seems like it's those motor mounts. I could be wrong, but they are the stock ones. This car's a 2006. It has 155,000 miles. I just did an oil change 3 days ago, and she's running strong, really, honestly. So my guess is the motor mounts. I'm gonna go ahead and order those up and throw together a video for you guys. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think it is. It's kind of weird. I was driving 60 miles an hour, went to accelerate, and then I didn't hear any noises, or I didn't really even feel anything. It was just like, as I slightly started to accelerate, the car started really shaking, and then I noticed when I let off, it like wouldn't shake anymore. But you know, and then I put my foot back on the gas to accelerate, and then the shaking would come back. I'd put it in neutral, rev it up, no shaking, no extra shaking or anything like that. My best guess is it could be the engine mounts, but as well as it could also be the trans mounts. I checked them earlier while the car was off, and I checked them with a pry bar. I stuck a pry bar kind of like in between the two metal parts, pried down a little bit, and it did seem to move a little bit. So yeah, let me know what you guys think it is. My guess is the engine mounts, possibly trans mount. I'm gonna go ahead and double check that and possibly order that up as well. Like I said, all the engine mounts and the trans mounts on this car are stock. So you know, 155,000 miles around now, you know, it would sound like it might need it. So gonna go ahead and give that a shot. Let me know what you guys think. All right guys, so stay tuned for the next couple videos. Eventually I'm gonna get around to making the video on the how to install engine mounts, and probably as well as a transmission mount on this. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later.